bought a minivan. It's a Chrysler Pacifica with stowaway seats. I think it's going to be perfect for me and Daisy for when we're exploring and I need to sleep in the back of it. So I'm going to get a bed platform made, put like a 4x6 piece of carpet down, order a mattress, and yeah, that's all I need. I mean, I can't stand up, and I'm going to have to be creative when I have to go to the bathroom in the morning. But that is it. I like it so far. So stay tuned, and I'll show you my no build sometime next week.